My name's Wes with Pure H2O. I'm here to show you how to change your reverse osmosis filters. So first thing I recommend is a bucket, your filters, a towel, and your reverse osmosis filter wrench. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is locate the shutoff valves and the bottle valves that you want to turn off before you start changing your filters. So there is a valve on your bottle, your reverse osmosis holding tank, a blue valve that you will only turn a quarter a turn to shut it off. We have two of them here, so I'm going to do both the valves. Then there's the feed valve, which is located on your feed for your cold water sink, which is back in the corner. So you want to turn that off as well. It should be down there located on your plumbing lines for your kitchen faucet. Now that that's shut off, open up your gooseneck and it should stop. Okay, so lefty-loosey. This is where the bucket comes into play. You can either use your bucket to put the old filters in, dump the water in the sink, grab your pre-filter. I use rubber gloves. If you don't have rubber gloves, you just don't want to touch the filters. Okay, so there's a top and a bottom for the filters. The nipple goes on the top, so I unwrap it from the bottom, touching the filter, and slide it in. Dispose of the plastic. Righty-tighty. I hand tighten these. Run your fingers around the top of the canisters to make sure you don't feel any water. And then you can put your stuff back in and you are all set. And I'm going to turn the feed valve back off. Put your wrench back in the same spot where it was so you will have it for the next filter change.